Hi friends, and welcome to my channel Home and Family Talk. Today I want to share with you a DIY project with things I found in the Dollar Tree store. I found these beautiful glass jars and this bag of white sand. What I'm planning to do with this is just to pour the sand inside of the jars. And I also got this box of 4 white candles. And I just want to place them right inside of each jar. Now I'm pouring out the sand into the jars, and like you can see, I don't have a scale, but if you want exact measurements, you should use one. You should use more or less sand. I'm just trying to distribute the sand so I get equal amounts per jar. The box got 4 candles inside, which was perfect for me since I got 4 jars. Now I only have to place the candles inside each jar. And voila, this is the final look. Just lit up the candles and you'll have a beautiful piece to put in any place around your home. As for me, I put them in my back patio to light up my evening while I spend some quality time with my family and friends.